Alright, here we are paddling down the Barron Canyon River here. Just gonna stay here on the river tonight. So we're just paddling up that way into the sunset. It's about 7 o'clock, but we're just paddling about an hour, maybe not even, off into the canyon. And then tomorrow, gonna head off further down the canyon just to check it out. So that's the plan right now, paddling the river. Passing the rapids and the falls there, but take the portage. Barron River. And just on the 420 here, just on the Barron River. Looks like bypassing some falls, rapids. Really used trail here. Anyway, it's starting to get dark, so full carries. No messing around. When we get to the end, it should be the campsite area, so we're good. Beautiful down there. Alright, here we are. Back in the Barron River. Portage not too bad at all. Alright. Here's the landing. Beaver house. Yeah, we're just coming into our site here. We decided to take a paddle out there to where the other ones are on the river. Every single one was taken, but that's okay. We're used to night paddling now. So anyways, we're land hoeing here and get everything set up here in what is turning into darkness on the Barron Canyon River. About 10:30 p.m. We waited a bit for this fire tonight just because you wouldn't believe, like, I went way far into the back there behind the site and there's just almost nothing. But anyways, I was able to grab a little bit of stuff, so we should be good for about half an hour, which is fine because we're a little tired today. Long drive up, so anyhow, just enjoying a nice little fire here on the Barron Canyon River. Alright, here we are, 10:50 in the morning. So that's our site that we stayed at tonight, last night. So we had the tent, fire pit there. It's the Barron River, right there. And the washroom was down that path right there. Like I said, last night was searching all back from there, all around, and over, and all back in there, and back there, and there's very little wood to go around at this site. It's like one of the first couple anyways coming in from the access point. So anyways, getting the boat loaded up down there, and we're gonna head off through the canyon there. Check out the canyon and the cliffs on the Barron Canyon. Yep, I think you figured it out by now. Woo! And there we go, we've pushed off back under the river. Gonna head that way for a little bit of sightseeing. Starting through the Barron Canyon here. Gonna head a little more that way. Check it out. Alright, so it looks like we're nearing the end here of the main part, the canyon. I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe up there, that's the hiking trail for it, or somewhere around here. So we pretty much reached the end. That's the other side there. Let's go back the way to the access point, the way we just came from. You can see all the hills up in the Barron Canyon. Camper 905. Here we are back in the 420. Going back into or passing Cache Raps in the Barron Canyon River, and just going back to the access point. Finish the portage, back on the river. 6 minutes. Woo!